Hello and welcome to this video. In the previous video, we have solved two exercises related to basic representation theorem, and in this video we will solve another two exercises of basic representation theorem to make the concept more clear. Okay, next question is question 3. Here the given x is 10723 and we have to write it to the base 11. We will proceed in the same way using division algorithm. Now we can see by division algorithm 10723 can be written as 974 times 11 plus 9. Okay, here 974 further using division algorithm can be written as 88 times 11 plus 6. So replacing the value of this 974, here we will get 11 times 88 into 11 plus 6 plus 9. Instead of this 974, we have written this value. Okay, and this can be written as 11 square plus 6 times 11 plus 9. And now this 88 can be written as 8 times 11. Okay, and this will be 8 times 11 cube plus 6 into 11 plus 9. We can see that all the coefficients are now less than 11, so we will stop here and we can write it as 10723 to the base 11 is equal to 8, because 11 cube has the coefficient 8 and 11 square has the coefficient 0, and 11 to the power 1 has coefficient 6, and 11 to the power 0 has coefficient 9. So 10723 to the base 11 is 8069. Okay. The next question is question 4, in which we have given two numbers in the base 7, and the question is add this number 6513 to the base 7 with this number 3545 to the base 7 without changing the base. There is another way that first we will change the base to the standard base 10, then we add these two numbers, and again we change the obtained number to the base 7. But the question is that we have to do this without changing the base. Okay, we move in this way. We write 65 13 35 45. Okay, and we will add this to the base 7. Okay, first we will add 3 plus 5, and because 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 is greater than 7, so by division algorithm we can write 8 is equal to 1 times 7 plus 1, because the remainder is 1, this one. So we will write 1 and will carry this one. So we have this 1 and we have carry this one. Okay, now we have to add this one and this 4, and because this is 6 and 6 is less than 7, so we will write it as it is. And the next step, this is 5 and 5, and whenever we will add 5 plus 5 we will get 10, and 10 is because greater than 7 and we have base 7, so 10 can be written as 1 time 7 plus 3. So we will write 3 and carry 1. So it is 3 here and we have carried 1. So again, when we will add this 1, this 6 and this 3, we will have 10 in the same way, and we will get again, and this is 1 plus 6 plus 3 is 10. Again 10 can be written as 1 into 3 plus 7. So 10 is actually base 7 is 1 3. So we will write here 1 3. So it is clear that we have added these two numbers without changing the base. So 65 13 7 plus 35 45 to 7 is equal to 13361, and it is also with the base 7. Okay, that's all about this video. We will see in the next lecture with some new and interesting concepts.